Okay, so hello everyone. Today naman ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano nga ba i-retain yung scores mo last DepEd ranking. So, ito yung through your letter of intent. So, yun yun. So, mai-retain mo lang yan kapag ilalagay mo sa letter of intent mo na magre-retain ka ng scores mo last DepEd ranking. So, ito siya. So, ito yung sample ng ating letter, everyone, to retain your scores. Ito na ha, nakikita nyo na. So, pwede nyo yung kapihin or di naman i-revise kung gusto ninyo. So, ito siya. So, of course, ito yung letter of intent na pwede nyo gamitin yung format nyo dati, which is, ito siya, Jonathan M. Nietes. Ayan. So, ito yung inyong, like, for example, Schools Division Superintendent ninyo. And, of course, the address and the address of your division office. And, of course, we have there, sir. Okay, so I am writing to express my interest in applying for a Teacher 1 position in your institution. Ayan. So, and ito yung mga qualifications nyo, or ito yung mga dati na mga, ito yung sa ibabaw ha, ito yung dati na letter mo. So, yung gagawin mo lang is i-continue mo lang yan, lalagay mo lang sa ilalim yung iyong letter na i-retain mo yung iyong score. Like for example, the undersigned with the application code of Pampanga 3 Math 123 and Pampanga 4 3C 345, which is, this is for junior high school and this is for senior high school. Like for example, I hereby confirm to you in writing that I intend to retain my previous teaching demonstration, PPST or non-classroom observable indicators, teacher's reflection, teach experience, and training scores last school years 2024-2025. I fully understand that it will be included in the registry of qualified applicants for school year 2023 or 2024-2025. Pwede din yan, everyone. Ayan. So, thank you for considering my applications. I look forward for the opportunity to discuss on how can I assess to your organization. Or pwede din yan, everyone. Like, for example, ayan, edit mo natin. So, like, for example, lalagyan natin yan ng bullet. So, okay, try natin lagyan ng bullet. Nasaan yung bullet? Ito siya. Lagyan natin ng bullet. Ayan. And then, like for example, lalagay mo, I hereby confirm to you in writing that I intend to retain my scores last step ranking with the following criteria. Like I mentioned, teaching demonstration. Ayan. Teaching demonstration. PPST. Ayan. Ano pa yung mga, ano pa yung mga i-retain mo. Like for example, the undersigned, kung gusto mo i-revise. Ayan. So, revise. So, ito siya. The undersigned application code of PAM 2222. I intend to retain my previous scores last DepEd ranking. Last DepEd ranking. With the following criteria. Ayan. So, ito yung mga criteria na ayan. So, ito yung mga criteria na i-retain mo. And, ayan. So, yan lang. So, lagyan natin experience. Lagyan naman natin ng training. Kasi, re-retain mo yan sila eh. Ayan. Ranking last school year 2024-2025. School year. Ayan, nalagay natin yan last school year. Diba? Tayo mga teachers, dapat alam natin kung paano tayo gumawa ng letter. Diba? Sample lang yan, ha? Okay. So, last school year of DepEd ranking. Of DepEd ranking 2024. Last school year, 2023-2024 of DepEd ranking. Ay, last school year. Dito pala lagay ang last school year. Yan. Diba? Ayan. So, previous last DepEd ranking, school year 2024-2025. I fully understand that it will... Yeah. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan lang yan kadali everyone. So, ayan na yun. So, I understand the application code of this 222. I hereby confirm to you in writing that I intend to retain my previous scores last DepEd ranking for school year 2023-2024 with the following criteria. Okay, I fully understand that it is concluded, it will be concluded in the registry and qualified school year 2024-2025. Thank you for considering my applications, and I look forward for the opportunity to discuss how can I assess to your organization. So, pwede naman na ganitong format yung gagawin mo. Or pwede naman walang bullet. Pwede din, di ba? So, ganyan lang everyone kung paano gumawa ng letter of intent to retain your scores. Pwedeng by bullet or pwedeng without the bullet. Yan lang. So, that's all for today, everyone. Sana nakatulong sa yung video na ito. Please subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at paki-comment na din sa ating comment section. Kung meron pa kayong mga videos na gusto nyong i-videohan natin para makatulong naman tayo para makatulong naman kami sa inyo. So, that's all for today, everyone. Goodbye and God bless.